So line up your pocket and your skirt side so that they form a V, because these two sides are going to go together. But you fold it over so that the right sides are together. And that's what it looks like. The right sides are together, and you're only pinning that one angle right there. And then you do it on the other side. So that's what it looks like when it's pinned on both sides, just on those corners. Now we're going to stitch. So you take that one little short pin side and you just stitch straight down just along that one short edge. And then you flip it over and you do it on the other side. Same thing, that one short little edge. And that's what your skirt will look like. So then what you do is you take this side and you fold it over with the wrong sides together. So that lays flat like that, and you do the same thing for over here. And so now you've got these two edges going down the side, and you're gonna top stitch those edges. So again, you take that one little edge, you fold it over so that the wrong sides are together, and you top stitch down that side. Then you turn it over. Again, that short side. And that just reinforces the pocket edge. Now this is the tricky part. So lay your skirt out like this. The bottom of the skirt is that way. And these pockets, you're going to fold them back with the wrong sides together. So you're going to see the right side up here. And this is how you're going to form this pocket. You take the two bottom edges, one bottom edge, the other bottom edge, and you take those two and you pull them together and put a pin right there. And that's going to be the bottom edge of your pocket. So you're going to stitch it along the bottom. And then you do the same thing for the other side. You fold it down so the wrong sides are together. Lay it out flat. It should line up straight with the skirt. And then again, you take the bottom two edges of the pocket and you pull them together and you pin that. And that is what you're going to stitch. So I turned it around and it laid it out flat, and you can see I've got the bottom edges of the pockets pinned, and you're just gonna stitch the bottoms of those pockets. So now I'm just gonna stitch the bottom edge of that pocket. And then you do the other bottom. So I've got the bottom of the pocket stitch, and I've laid out the skirt with the right side down, and I've straightened out the pockets so that the edges line up on both sides, and it's folded over right here. You can see how this is folded over. It's very important to pin this fold. If it gets loose, you're going to have trouble going down the line. So it's folded over here. You're going to pin it at the fold before you do any other stitching. You get that set. And once those folds are pinned, you flip it over, and now you're going to pin the back to the front.